Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GTM series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch the videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to track timer using Google Tag Manager and send us a GA4 event. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be basically setting up the timer event for this website. So we'll be setting up a 60 seconds timer. That means if someone comes to our website and stays for at least 60 seconds, then we want to check this as one of our GA4 events. Okay, perfect. So you can see over here, I have already installed Google Tag Manager for this website and GA4 for this website as well. Okay, and this is our GA4 property. Okay, so let's set up the timer event. Okay, first of all, we need to set up the trigger. So we are going to be going to the trigger section and I'll be clicking on the new and I'll be creating a timer trigger. So I'm going to be choosing timer and the event name would be gtm.timer and interval would be 60,000 seconds. Okay, as I want to track 60 seconds visitors of my website, and the limit would be 1 and the select variable type would be event, and I'll be choosing mass results from here, and as the condition I'll be providing dot star. Okay, that means I want to track uh, for the all page visitors. Okay, perfect, and I'll name this as timer figure or 60 seconds timer. Okay, you can name it as per your requirements, no worries. Then I'll hit save. Then I'll go to the tag section and I'll be creating a new tag for the GA4 event. So the tag name would be GA4 event, GA4 event, 60 seconds timer. Okay. Sorry, it should be timer. Then I'll be choosing tag configuration as Google Analytics GA4 event. So I have already created the measurement ID, which I'll be selecting from here. And the event name would be 60 underscore seconds underscore timer. Okay. I'll not be providing any event parameters. If you want, you can provide event parameters. Then the triggering would be 60 seconds timer. Then I'll click on save. Okay, so our implementation is done. Now we need to debug it. Before debugging it, I'll go to the analytics debug view so that we can show everything real time in analytics. So I'll be enabling the debug view mode. Okay, then we'll go to the tag assistant and we're going to be previewing this for checking whether it is working or not. So I need to provide the website URL, which is already there. You need to provide your website URL. Okay, then I'll hit connect. Then we need to stay on this website for at least 60 seconds for firing this event. Okay, so you can see GA4 event 60-second timers hasn't fired because we haven't stayed for in this website on this website for the 60 seconds. Okay, so let's wait for a little bit. So let's do some activities like going to this page and see some products: hair bracelet, jeans, handbag, blue denim shorts, bracelet again, brown jeans, gray jeans, denim blue jeans, shoes. Okay, so let's wait for another few seconds, then our event will be fired. Okay, perfect. So need to have some patience. If you don't be patient, then you'll not be able to do anything actually. So you can see over here, GA4 event 60-second timer has fired one time. So let's go to the analytics. And analytics takes some time, so maybe we need to, but yeah, you can see over here 60-second timers. Okay, so we haven't passed any parameters, that's why no parameters are coming. Okay, so this is how you can set up 60-second timers for your landing page. Okay, so yeah, after previewing everything, after previewing, you can check if everything is working fine, then you can submit the changes. Okay, so in my case, everything is working fine, so I'll submit the changes. If you want, you can give the version name, version description, but I'll not be providing any of them. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.